is still not started. I plugged in the scanner and it gave me 2 check engine codes. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. What the hell? Welcome back to another video. So we are starting this vlog here at the gas station. Honestly, I'm not too sure what I'm getting into tonight. All I know is that I'm gonna hit this meet. Hopefully it's a good one. We are in this car because if you guys did not know, the Z is currently down. I honestly do not know what's wrong with that car. I hope it's nothing serious, but for now we're in this one. It's been so long since I've been to a meet, guys. I hope it's a good turnout. It is kind of far from me, but I thought why not just hit this meetup and see some pretty cool cars. Supposedly it looks like it's gonna be a dope one, so I hope I don't just waste my time in gas. But anyways, I'm also gonna be pulling up by myself. Nobody's rolling with me. None of the homies were able to come out, but regardless, I still wanted to come out and bring you guys some content. So honestly, I'm not the type of person that likes to go to meets by myself, but you gotta step out of your comfort zone every once in a while, you know. So I'm hoping to find out what's wrong with the Z very soon. Hopefully this week. Hopefully it starts, and if not, well, yeah, I don't know. I don't know when the car's gonna be back. Hopefully it's not too long, because I really do miss driving that car. This car is fun. It's nice. I love it, but the automatic just doesn't do it for me. Just pulled this to me. Got a white body Hellcat right there. Sick ass 37. Did I just hear edibles? There's no way I just heard edibles. Oh, we got an R32. In the Skyline, fool. Ended up parking next to the twin right here. 2 great Q50s. And another one right there. Damn, she's loud. I spotted this Nismo from across the parking lot and I had to come check it out. I seen an intercooler on it. So it's boosted. Boosted Nismo. It's bone stock, but it's boosted. Sleeper boys. This guy's dude. We got another great Q50 over here. Oh. We got a Nismo over here. Next to my dad. Who remembers my G37 that I used to drive before the Q50? Nismo's sick, bro. Spotted this gem over here. These cars are so sick. I just wish they weren't so expensive. Damn, this G is freaking slammed, bro. Is this on air or is it static? I mean, if it's static, how do you drive it, bro? I respect to all the static guys. I don't know how you guys be doing it, bro. If I got a Camaro, this would be literally it right here. A 1LE, and it's on the tire, bro. Must be nice. Super sick. Got the Beamers over here. This one's on a tire. M340i. These cars are very nice. Got a GT500 over here. It's probably the sickest muscle car right now. Got 2 Cat Vets over here. This one's on the full drag pack. You guys think he'll get the Z? I need a cam vet before I die, bro. Sounds so good. Yeah, I definitely need one before I die. For a 5.0 on a full drag pack. And there's hella people with drag packs, bro. Alright, this is probably my favorite car here so far. The ZR1. Must be nice. Had to come take a closer look at this 1LE. Oh, it's super clean, bro. Must be nice. I need one. Bro, there's so many Q50s here. I'm getting rid of this. It's a sign to get rid of it. Bro, what the hell? I heard a supercharger out of that car. It's a Magnum with the charger front end. And it sounds supercharged. That's actually pretty sick. Left the meet early, but got some. Hold on, give me a second. Got some Tierra Mia. If you guys know, you guys know. Way better than Starbucks.
The next day.
Six and a half hours later.
next day.
Alright guys, it is now the next day. If you guys cannot tell, I just woke up, but I wanted to come out here and give you guys a update on the 350Z. For those of you guys that don't know, it actually left me stranded like probably like 2 weeks ago already. Ever since I towed it home, I have not moved it. I actually pushed it out, but I pushed it right back in. The car is still not started. I plugged in the scanner and it gave me 2 check engine codes for cam sensors. So I'm hoping that's all it is. I'm hoping it's just a sensor and it starts back up, because I do miss driving this car, guys. The weather here in Cali right now is perfect for like driving the race car, and I can't drive this, so it sucks. The homie David is actually gonna pull up, I think this weekend, with the sensor, because he has extra sensors. We're gonna swap it and hopefully the Z starts. I've just been sitting here admiring this car for like the past 10 minutes. I put the camera down and I was just sitting and just staring at it. You guys ever do that, or am I just weird? So I actually let my mom take the Q50 to work today. I think she just pulled up. I heard the car. Yup, I knew it. You guys think she's gonna scrape? Oh, no. Oh, she didn't. So I actually let her take it because they just detailed her car like 2 days ago, and it was raining in the morning, like sprinkling. So I was like, I don't want you to get your car dirty. You just pay for a detail. Take mine. Bro, look, I didn't even know we're being watched. What's up, buddy? I'm actually thinking about taking this one to Irwindale today and putting it on the track, or even putting it in the donut pit. What do you guys think? For a video, that'd be sick. I might do that today. But anyways, that is going to conclude today's video. I am so sorry if it was kind of boring. I just wanted to mainly bring you an update on this car, because there has been a lot of people asking me what happened to it. So long story short, it has a check engine light for 2 sensors, and I'm hoping that's it. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.